Hello everyone! I am so excited to share two amazing resources that will help you master Indian cuisine. The first one is a brand new ebook, Master Indian Cuisine. 50 curries ready in 10 minutes. Flat. And the second one is a special offer just for the viewers of this channel. Now, let's talk about the ebook. As the title suggests, it has 50 delicious and easy curry recipes that you can make in just 10 minutes. I wanted to create a resource that would help home cooks of all levels to feel confident in their ability to cook Indian food. This ebook is perfect for those who are just starting out, or for those who want to expand their repertoire of Indian dishes. You may have come across some of my other cookbooks or online content, but I wanted to create something that was specifically focused on curries. After all, curry is a staple of Indian cuisine, and there are endless variations of it. So in this ebook, I have included a variety of curries from all over India. You will find something for everyone here. Recipes are simple and straightforward with step-by-step instructions, and they are also adaptable. So if you don't have a particular ingredient, you can always substitute it with something else that you do have. I have also included tips and tricks throughout the ebook so that you can really master the art of making curry. For example, did you know that you can use the same curry sauce for both chicken and paneer? Just cook them separately and add the sauce at the end. Or did you know that you can freeze leftover curry and just reheat it the next day? I am confident that this ebook will help you become a better cook and impress your friends and family with your newfound skills. Happy cooking! Thank you so much for watching.